Fraud and fake signups can be a huge problem for affiliate programs, but there are steps you can take to prevent it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to protect your affiliate program from fraud and fake signups, so stick around till the end. I'll also be sharing an exclusive tool to help you do this with ease. The first thing you want to do is implement validation checks on all new signups. This means ensuring that the information provided is legitimate. Use JOS email verification tools to confirm that the email addresses are real and not disposable ones. This step alone can cut down on a significant amount of fake signups. Next, you need to take advantage of IP fraud detection software. This is crucial for spotting suspicious activities like multiple signups from the same IP address or frequent pattern matches from fake accounts. Trust me, using the right software can save you tons of time in tracking down fraudulent users. And don't worry, I've tried the most popular fraud detection tools for affiliate programs, and I'm recommending one in the description below, available with an exclusive free trial just for you, my viewers. Also, consider using manual review processes for high-value or high-risk affiliates. Sometimes it's worth having a human double-check things like affiliate applications or unusually large commissions. This is especially true if you start noticing patterns that don't match your usual affiliate activity. A quick manual check can prevent fraudulent payouts before they happen. Another useful method is restricting signups to specific geographies or regions. If your program is only available to affiliates in certain areas, make sure the signups are geo-targeted. You can do this by using FOTIMAL IP address location tracking to verify the location of your affiliates. This adds an additional layer of security and prevents fake signups from outside your target regions. Don't forget about Chonbasen Habin Atatese tracking affiliate behavior. Monitor how affiliates perform and look for outliers. If you see someone registering many new accounts without generating corresponding leads or sales, they might be attempting fraud. Setting up alerts for this type of behavior can save you time and money. Lastly, set up clear terms and conditions that affiliates must agree to during the sign-up process. Include penalties for fraudulent activity in your terms to make sure everyone knows the consequences if they're caught. This simple step helps deter fraudulent actions right from the start. Now let's review the main points. First, validate email addresses, use fraud detection software, and set up manual reviews for high-risk affiliates. Restrict signups by geography, track affiliate behavior, and ensure clear terms and conditions for everyone. Key takeaway: preventing fraud and fake signups in your affiliate program is all about combining validation, automation, and human oversight. By following these steps, you'll ensure your program stays clean and profitable. And remember, if you want to follow along with the software I mentioned earlier, take advantage of the exclusive free trial available in the description below. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your affiliate program.